Kushe and Kabo to you. Thank you for joining me. This na the Creators na Star Television, Channel 21, with me, Creating Thomas. But first, the main points them. The new direction, SLPP government celebrate 1 year in office April 4, 2019, and able to fulfill one of them promise during the campaign for provide free quality education.
Of His Excellency the President, retired Brigadier Julius Madabio, in 1 year in office, I will return for this 70%.
Same so, workman them na the Ministry of Fisheries and Marine Resources, led by the Ministry of Fisheries and Makowa Jalo, Thursday 28 March 2019, don't visit workman them na the Balamuya crossing border with some council workman them na the Cambia district for operate border workman them as in the start the close season period from April 1st to 30 April 2019 for fish business.
The fish them, then size them small where they come out. So they person they throw in there so they pull. Now some area them, if they pull stone all.
Some women wey dey sell fish say the 1 month ban on all fish investment in the country na serious problem, as in the fish no get the quality where they can supply them again.
So, but what the fish that end up over yeah. What is you buy? What you buy?
Inside sport, as the Premier League they continue, Diamond Stars Football Club they play against Central Parade na the Shaka Stevens Stadium. Now for the full news. Me wey dey read the news, my name na Creating Thomas. The Salon People Party been take over governance April 4, 2018 after they win the 2018 presidential election against the main contender of the All People's Congress Party. During the 1 year in office, the government say they put in place a measure them for make them raise revenue for run the country. But still, some people their life difficult for them. The dollar rate from 2018 to 2019 increased from 700 to 900,000 zillions, and business not the flow. Andrew Bestman put these reports together.
The new direction, SLPP government, don't celebrate 1 year in our office, April 4, 2019. Inside this period, the government say they're able to implement the free quality education and save the first corruption tranga one for make Salon people go benefit from the opportunity in the country. Although the government say then the work for make things fine in the country for all man, people still not glad as the dollar rates they increase and the price of basic food item self don't increase in the market. Now the Waterloo community, the Petty Traders Union chairman Albert Staroli and the public relations officer, now the Commercial Bike Riders Union, Alaji Dumbia, say then disappointed that the government still not able to make the dollar price come down.
Because the time when he called campaign, they say they make Sierra Leone a better country in terms of education and all other things there. And we don't see the education side will go well to the people in this country. Even though I talk to you, I took kids and now I didn't pay for. So that don't give me a laugh on the other side, although not to the all, but that's just starting. And I believe, say, the man where they hear the people's voice. So if that be the case, we they tell away as traders, let the Wataki cannot small for traders, particularly for food for eat. Let other things calm down. And all the markets, all the things that they calm down. Why is for Turkey not just pressure from the importers people?
Well, as bike riders, we're all glad we especially the president not get the power. But we not reflect to it. The reason being the same struggle will be the struggle up tonight they continue. And now they go to the worst because officially like I don't council in 1 year. Now the youth presidents, now we young presidents because I'm a very young man. Officially, like we don't only power now. Now we say for all enjoy under new regime. But in 1 year, we pray to God at least let changes every day towards the bike riding. But we will enjoy it, not reflect to it in 1 year. Or say that these bike riders they don't get during the 1 year of the president, when retired Julius Maada Bio.
For a rumor from other people, them, but how the 1 year turn like for them, especially politician them. The Secretary General, na the Salon People's Party, na Waterloo branch, Santiki Sise, and the All People's Congress Party Vice Chairman, Samuel Emmanuel Kainde Aden, self been talk, waiting they feel, but the 1 year of the SLPP government.
Well, so far so good. If we can rate the administration of His Excellency the President retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio in 1 year in office, I will rate him for be 70%. Why I'm say 70%? That because some of the steps the way you don't take, they're not too visible, but they're in the pipeline. By the time they all will be visible automatically, I will rate him for be 90 to 95%. So with that, why I rate him so? Thinking of all the promises the way he be made during the campaign, we don't see some of them things they come to reality. Take for instance the thing we take as a flagship program when at the free quality education. Of course, then we don't already say and say now it's success. Because all the things that we promise for the first phase, they don't deliver everything. Up to the teachers then we only get problem with now with the salary way, although it not been there and the package, they don't make sure say the type of put modalities in place that very soon. Then we'll complement that and see how the teachers themselves will be happy in the classroom. Because if the teachers are not happy, then the quality education will therefore get small problem. But that's why they will say within the shortest possible time, that will be lead to rest. It comes by the economy. Of course, the economy, we all know say the retired brigadier he inherited a battered economy. But with the kind of stuff where the retired brigadier and government gets, then they can put modernity in place. I think very soon we will see we get a very stable economy.
The 1 year we President Julius Maada Bio don't take no office. I see and say a fairly good. One of the two way make I can say a fairly good. One, he established the free education, but itself he get question mark because not to every schools they receive that free education, and a lot of things the way don't happen. That then they make the political platform, conducive, environmentally free, and all other things there. So we don't say and say it's like a vindictive assumption of office.
For make the people na the country get for enjoy, the Minister of Finance get for do something for make sure say he puts the dollar price can down so that people go able for enjoy themselves na the country. Me and the best man with the report.
Workman them na the Ministry of Fisheries and Marine Resources, head by the Minister of Fisheries Emakowa Jallow. Thursday 28 March 2019, don't pay visit na the Balamuya crossing border with some council workman them na the Cambia district for update border workman them as in the begin then close season period from April 1 to 30, 2019. Abdurrahman Kamara gets more.
One key thing we decide for come up with now the license book itself, how the license for look like, so that go uniform all throughout the council. Number two, the fees when they pay, so that it will be uniform all throughout the council. We don't hold several meetings then with the local council, then the coastal area specific, now Ministry of Fisheries. So we don't come with the design. We now we sponsor this and make sure so we make the right receipt book for bring forward. We don't have the receipt book for the council. We will hand over that later on, and they upload to now. So we on site, the standard 5 to 10, we have 5 to 10 people at the Ghana plan. Now the ministry, then they collect that day. So when I go see say with fisheries officers them and assistants then go there around for collect dues on that. Do ya we dey talk to una? We know say una go get a marine committee. And in that marine committee, you get strong marine people then when are they on duty that day for go na the river and areas there for collect. Do ya una work with the officer they will not come with. For any major problems we not get in touch with the council, or even better still with we back. Because we want to make sure say under the new direction things can work properly. Wuna now we allies them. And now Wuna we work together with for able to improve the fishing grounds them. Nowadays, the fish them, then size them small where they come out. So the person they throw in there to the pool, now some area them, if they pull stone all. It's not good for we own country. We get rich resource in the fish in this country. We get beaucoup different species them, beaucoup different type of fish. Not all we as Sierra Leonean and they eat. The major one them, if you see herring, the bonga, the snapper, the guinea, the kuta, these are the popular one them. The shinos, where Salomon, if you go on a market, say fish there today because they one they nice sabi. But other fish they but who were in the water where they pull? Where really other people they fed for buy, like the croakers. They are also now mostly now exporting, they export them. So for this one whole month I would also do and watch say for put proper management measure in place so that we self could be able to help ourselves. What we look for that 1 month day, we then now look at them say the fish we give them time for breed, the egg them for come out and mature, so that we'll get more fish in the water and we'll get bigger size fish. We never encounter in excessive the water. Where you see June candies no July candies no they don't look. So we self for put proper management measure them so that we fisherman them and woman them. This is not the resource where they have up. They don't have up nothing else but this. Some then they do this they're fishing and from there then they educate them picking them and their family them. And in team now the council for let it reach NECA for let it reach now so that you know going to put justice and this because I've now for a long time. Probably up to next year for now able to register all the boats them. Yeah, so now the calendar day, this is not just a sample. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
The Vice President, Dr. Mohamed Julde Jallo, Monday, April 1, do announce the ban on all fishing vessels with license for operating a salon for tap force for 1 month. This is not the first time we salon they comply to the close season period for allow the fish them for produce more. But fishermen say this don't make fish no better in the market. Let me hear it from them.
Tuola fish. Right now, when they say they stop the tuola, they will not gladly. Because what make them not gladly? Because right now, by tuola, they live. We not come now. We not get no other fish they will sell they buy. Tuola fish now they live. When they come with back, them buy. When them over go back to get to. So, but what now the fish that indoor over yeah. What you buy? What they buy? For level I can buy to you now, not easy. The fish don't there. So how would they go for sell now? So they buy. So they have government. I want to assist me, and then not stop to allow for them. They will survive. They have the fish. When they say they eat allow them, we say fine. Because what they some fish and they get them. But if they go fishing and from the sea, they count them. They count them from the boat. They count them where we get fish now in the market. But when they count, they catch them from the sea. Then the tuola they go fish them. When they go fish them, the fish will not get and the fish get here. So now I make it send it tuola. So that by light, where we get the fish go, the price go able different. Go able calm down.
I dey go where they can buy the fish here because I'm not black bass. Now you don't go into where gas for those black bass on 5,000, 4,000. Now we got 10,000, 15,000. So me say I dey go the way me say they do your business. I go put for posting because I clear they sell. Where go me say they go I say because the market is dry.
Career news from Star TV. Continue for stay with me as we go for a short break.
Quiz Genius Finals will take place on the 6th of April 2019 at the British Council Auditorium at 1:30 p.m. All schools are encouraged to send in representatives as it will be broadcast live on Star TV Third place competition is between Methodist Boys High School versus Beking High School, and first place competition is between the Sierra Leone Grammar School and the Annie Walsh Memorial School. You are all cordially invited.
Let me join Hilton John for some sport update.
Thank you to you, Cretin. For some sporting news, we start inside the local scene. The Salone Premier League will continue tonight at the Siaka Stevens Stadium. Central Parade Football Club with a third position. They will play against Diamond Star. According to the team manager of Diamond Star Football Club, Adam Stormy, they prepare for beat Central Parade. He explained more to Star Creole News.
Well, like any other games, we feel prepared. No, though I'm not resident, but I'm getting feedback from the other executive members and the coach. We always prepare for any match we play. Though the matches, some of the matches not can come out the way they expect. But we are always prepared. And this Central Parade game for me don't play. I think Premier League will get some issues with either security and the timing, so they get for shift time. So team don't come. Fully prepared for the win this game.
And I will determine to the demands of the Premier League board say never going on a refunds of an expenditure after them be failed for get back to an earlier for this game. What are the response now?
Well, yes, I think we send a request based on we estimate them, waiting they will spend. But I know if they can give all the money, but they will give you some substantial amount of what we ask for. We still the follow up on that so that we will get the balance. Will be asked for as a refund. The same way the game for we play, we not play.
What's your impression about this year compared to the past years though?
Well, for me, Premier League board don't try, because especially coming from where we taking off from 5 years league not play, you know. So I mean, and this now a lessons learned for all of us. Now a good start, though it's not perfect. Then said it's right for putting the house in order. So many challenges with the league we face so far. How then they conduct the games, then security of the games. Do they can left and the hands of the teams then, but Premier League board say get a major rule for play allegations on, you know, some of allegations on the refs, some of the match and then the conductor, but these are all allegations. But then get responsibility for look into those allegations and see how we will improve on the league, especially so they come to the end of the first round.
Well, this game will play tonight at the Siaka Stevens Stadium, 7 p.m. at the time. Also, we will see Central Parade Football Club go play against Diamond Star. The Secretary General of the Western Area Football Association, Benjamin Godin, don't say the Western Area Football Association will start First Division League with 24 teams then will take part in this competition. They continue for say the league will start the 14th of this month at the Siaka Stevens Stadium, but they still a call on government for giving support. He explained more to Star Sports.
Well, we don't discuss with teams them, Division 1 teams them that they play for we will kickstart on the 14th of April, which will be at the Siaka Stevens Stadium. And basically we don't discuss with all these teams. We call them back for that for let them can discuss more and see how we will forge ahead for let this open the become a success.
So how many teams they will play in the Division 1 level?
We get 24 teams where they play the Division 1 where for come up by the Premier League.
How important is this competition?
Very important. It's like a very, very big opportunity for these 24 teams for letting grab a position, because we get a promotion for let them grab a position to the Premier League. We don't discuss with SLFA executive for let them see reason as to increasing the teams them to Premier League. So with that, you know, saying all the teams they will get then now an opportunity of a lifetime with no teams number one for left.
Money can be wala for any association. I don't tell it for now.
Yes, well we tell for we right now we get into a little bit constrained. We discuss with other institutions for come on board, but the big government for the government will come. The government can rescue football, especially Western area, one of the biggest constraints with regards to football and the country, the entire country. We see how Premier League don't take a level, so we say for make left football play in the Western area during the break when Premier League they get back.
We Wafa still they look for couple for starts and competition. We call them corporate houses there for come and give support to the Western Area Football Association. Now all that we get inside the Creole Sports for today. Back to creating at the studio.
That's the Creole News. Now all this we get today for you. Join me on Monday for more news updates. Me read the news come to you. Me your name na Cretin Thomas.